Monica. My name is Sophie, and we're going to open up
Christmas calendar.
Advent calendar.
Oh, Advent.
But it's not.
Advent.
It's not chocolate. It's liquor.
Yeah, Matthew as well.
Because our chocolate ones are over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Matthew got the chocolate one as well.
Simpson. Yeah, Sophie has this.
All right. Oh, what you got, so?
No, the snowman. So?
Come on and build it. What's so, Matthew? Oh, I'm cool. สวัสดีค่ะตอนนี้ตอนเย็นนะคะแม่จะเจอกับโซฟี
I got like
What you got, Matthew?
ship.
Huh?
A ship.
Oh, Matthew got Star Wars one.
Yeah. That's why.
พูดผิดนะคะตอน For football. Oh, he got the name now. ได้ใบประกาศเตะฟุตบอลมาแต่ว่าไม่มีชื่อมันลบออกว่างั้น Right, build it. I want to see. Let Matthew build it. Comfortable one. What does it look like the picture? Let me look there. นี่นะคะ อันนี้นะคะที่ว่า Advent second Advent calendar แม่บ้านพูดผิดนะคะที่ว่า Christmas calendar What about this one then Say the same again as well
Yes.
Yeah แสดงว่าแม่บ้านพูดผิดอันนี้เป็นช็อกโกแลตวันนะคะ Milk chocolate What about Sophie Oh, can mommy look for that? No, it's not hot. It's Christmas. Oh, it's snowman.
Hey, mommy.
Make sure I got it. Huh? Do you want to help you? Or you can do it? How many snowman? Is one or two? Sit for one. Oh God, it take long time then.
This is confusing.
Put that way, darling. Go put near yourself like that. Oh, that got the baby snowman as well.
Yeah.
And I'm very excited about our first item.
Advent. Oh yeah, Advent calendar. 1st of December.
I wanted one. I still want him back to the future. Kevin, it's great to see you. You've got some memorabilia.
I'll look for you in a minute, Matthew.
Tell you what, it's a great connection. It's a great connection.
Nearly, yeah, so. Oh, น้ำตาลนะคะ sweet นะ in your mouth that one.
And they're real collector's items. Now you need to type in. Right, it's going under the hammer right now. Lot 210, we have a DeLorean tie and a pin.
What we got there? Cake? Oh, coconut. Oh, coconut flake. Right, you want more cup of tea or anything?
Can I have a hot chocolate, please?
Yeah, I do. Oh, let mommy look. Lift up on your hand.
Okay. Can I have some coconut?
Please.
You know, it's just nice to have something from DeLorean.
Now, better put in there. Put in the hand and mommy look.
A wonderful piece of local history there. And I love our next item belonging to
Now haven't got face?
to the era
No.
of traditional
Oh.
Yes, the side.
Lift up.
Tell you what, my trip here in Belfast just gets better and
When didn't
Put on the top there. Oh. Oh, good God.
How was that meant to be Christmas? Why isn't it Christmas?
Oh, got the frog in the house as well.
Keep that in your record.
Good God.
Record that one.
Yes.
Daddy, I mean, mommy.
ขออภัยนะคะเสียงอื่นเสียงอ่างเยอะมาก Oh, that Matthew one.
Yeah.
Oh, spaceship for Matthew. Are you sure that? I take photo. Do your hand like this. Do like this, like this. No, like this. Yes. Well, a bit, yeah.
Let's hope we can get Cynthia's tables around.
Sophie, move your face. Oh, Sophie, put on your hand then. Sit next to Matthew and let's see mommy take photo and show grandma. Put near together your hand. Your hand put near together like that. Look. Right. 3.
Number 20 is a reproduction inlaid mahogany nest.
That's it. Thank you to watching our video. If you like our video, please don't forget press like, press subscribe,
And have
press
a
share.
lovely time.
Lovely time on Friday for weekend with family.
Have a lovely
ขออภัยนะคะมีเสียงรบกวน soundtrack ด้วย We got some soundtrack. Huh?
Did the floor.
Yeah. Yeah. See you later. Bye. Bye.